This homeowner almost spent $10,000 trying to fix something that they didn't even want. So have you ever been ready to spend a large amount of money fixing something just because it seemed like the obvious thing to do? Well, that's exactly what this homeowner found, but after a few short questions during the on-site consultation, they discovered that they'd never even wanted a pond in the first place, and we really got down to the root of the problem, what they really wanted, and it turned out to be a waterfall over a pond. So when we initially spoke on the phone, the homeowner and I, we were talking about what I saw in the photos and what I was seeing there. We had so many overgrown aquatic plants. There were leaks all over the place. The plumbing was dry rotted and cracked in multiple places, causing additional water loss. Algae was all over the place. There was no filtration. The waterfall was kind of falling in on itself. Everything, it went so south over time, and he didn't even know where to start. So on the phone, we had talked about the original plan was to restore the pond. Let's remove these overgrown aquatic plants, and when you do that, it's going to collapse the walls. We'll restack the walls when we get done. We'll add on the proper filtration so this thing stays nice and clear all the time with minimal maintenance. We'll get it better than it ever was before. So we had agreed on a rough $10,000 budget for this scope prior to coming out. And when I got there, it was absolutely crazy. I asked him the question. I was like, what kind of fish are you going to get? He's like, oh, well, I don't actually plan on getting fish. I never really wanted them. So I asked the question, what do you like most about the pond? And he pointed to the tiny waterfall in the corner, back behind all of the weeds during the time. And it occurred to me, it's like, have you ever thought about getting a pondless waterfall? He's like, what is that? We went through the rigmarole, we went through all the steps of what that is, just the recirculation of it without that giant standing body of water. He was like, that sounds exactly like what I wish I had in this space. So we went from adding $10,000 of filtration and renovations to this thing to completely ripping it out and giving him exactly what he wanted. So getting that Smoky Mountain stream look without having the hassle of the pond and the fish going in there, that's more up his alley. So if you guys have fish and you don't really want them, think about that. But we got rid of the entire pond, we filled the whole thing in, we did a nice retention wall around the back, and we installed a 7-foot-long pondless waterfall with a beautiful piece of driftwood as the main focal points and with some aquatic plants around it. The homeowners couldn't have been happier with this. It was definitely worth asking the question, so always be sure to ask yourself, is this even what I want, or am I just fixing it to fix it? Figure out what you actually love and the things you enjoy about those before you dump a bunch of money into it, because the right questions create the right design. So what started as a simple pond repair and renovation ended as a completely different type of water feature that they were way happier with than they ever were with the pond, specifically from that right type of questioning. So sometimes the best solution isn't fixing what you have just because you have it. It's thinking outside the box to figure out what you actually wanted all along.